Hi everyone, welcome back to Horn and Fin Outdoors. So I got a question for everybody. If you're out archery hunting and it happens to be deer season, you've got your crossbow with you, it's a beautiful day, you haven't seen any deer, but you see some turkeys coming. And it happens to be turkey season, and you happen to really like smoked turkey sandwiches. So what do? Well, if you're like us at Horn and Fin Outdoors, you shoot the turkey. Yeah, I know. It's not a 28-pound bird with a double 12-inch beard on it, but I don't care. Hens are in season, and you can't eat the beard anyways. Oh, hi baby, they're coming right down the pike. Now make sure you pay attention and listen to some world-class turkey calling right here. Ear, 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 ear. "15-yard shot. Bingo, turkey's down." I also had a Tactacam mounted on a tree, so let's take a look at some ground level footage. Well, that's our quick turkey hunt. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do us a favor. Go over to our Facebook page and hit the like button. Head over to our YouTube channel, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, we wish you tight lines and short blood trails.